Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can generate a Spotify code. So you will have to go to the website. It is by Spotify as well, but you can either right click and share a copy song link, or you can go to your playlist and do that. I'll just go on this one and then right click select the three dots, share, copy, link to playlist. And I'll go to this website and I'll paste it. And I'll select get Spotify code. Make sure you continue and you'll get this Spotify code here. You can change the background color of your Spotify code here. You can also change the bar color to either white or black. You can also change the size and the format. And once you are done, you're going to select download, and that's it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.